Hello everyone, my name is Steph
And I'm Layla, and welcome back to Steph
and Layla. Today we are going to be making some toilet roll monsters.
So what will we need?
Today you're going to need some empty toilet roll, you're going to need some paint, you're going to need a paint brush, and either some water or tissue paper to clean your brush.
I'm so excited. Let's get started. Woohoo!
Okay, are you ready to start?
I'm ready to start. Let's do it.
So first of all, we're going to take our empty toilet roll cardboard and we're going to mix some paints. We've already mixed our paints. We have
Yellow, red, blue, green, purple, and orange.
So let's start painting. What colour would you like to paint our toilet roll monster?
All of the colours.
All of the colours?
Yep, all the colours. Like a big, giant rainbow monster.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with yellow. Paint. Oh, it looks so good already.
It really does.
Okay, I'm finished with the yellow now. What should we do next?
Oh, but first,
What?
we have to clean our paintbrush.
Oh yeah.
So you're going to need to take a little bit of tissue
Or water.
and give it a nice good clean.
There you go. That's so much better now.
Because if we don't clean our paintbrush, we'll get all the colours mixed up. We want our colours to be nice and bright. Okay, so we've done yellow. What shall we do next?
Purple. Let's go in with purple. Oh, that looks so good next to the yellow.
It does, doesn't it?
Okay, finish with the purple. Give it a clean. There we go.
Okay, what colour should we do next?
Orange.
Okay.
That down there. Oh yeah. That looks so good. I love painting. I can't wait to see our monster.
Neither can I.
Okay, I think I'm done with orange.
Okay, let's clean the brush.
Clean, 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 clean.
What colour next?
Red.
Let's do red.
Up here. Yeah, that looks so good. Okay. Clean, 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 clean. Let's do blue.
I love the colour blue.
So do I. I think it's my favourite. No, orange is my favourite. No, purple. No, I like them all, like a rainbow.
What's your favourite colour, friends?
Oh, fantastic. I love that colour too.
Is that because you love all the colours, Layla?
Yeah. Paint, paint, paint. There we go. And done. Okay. Clean, 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 clean. Last colour, green.
Green is my favourite colour, I think.
Really?
I think so.
There we go. Green, 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 green. Paint, 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 paint. There we go. And done.
I think we are done. So this is the beginnings of our cardboard monster.
Our rainbow cardboard monster.
So now we just have to wait for this to dry.
And then what?
Then we're either going to paint or stick on some eyes, a nose and a mouth.
Ooh.
Okay, so our cardboard tube that we painted earlier is now dry. So we can finish off our monster.
How are we going to do that?
Well, we have some googly eyes here
Amazing.
and some glue
Fantastic.
and some tissue paper and scissors for the hair. Now remember friends, the glue and the scissors, you might need some help from your grown-up.
so that you don't hurt your hands. Let's get started.
Okay, where shall we start?
Let's do the eyes first.
Okay, so we're using googly eyes, but you could also use a pen to draw the eyes on.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
So I'm going to put a little bit of glue onto the googly eyes. That's 1.
Fantastic.
And that is 2.
Great.
Okay, so now we're going to stick the googly eyes to our monster.
Up a bit, down a bit, to the left. I'm joking.
Okay, I'm going to stick it on right. Do it on this side, right there. I'm going to hold to make sure that it sticks.
That sounds good.
And there we go, we've got one eye.
Ooh,
Now let's do the other one. Should we stick it right next to it?
I think so.
Okay, there we go, give it a quick squeeze.
Squeeze!
And now we have our 2 googly eyes.
Fantastic.
There we go. This is the beginning of our monster.
Looks so good. Okay, next up, hair.
Yes, hair. So I was thinking for our monster, we could use this tissue paper and cut it with our scissors into a zigzag shape for the hair.
That sounds good. Will you do the scissors?
I will do the scissors, and you should have to be grown up too. And now we have our hair, and we're going to use the glue to stick it to the top of our monster.
Let's do it. Ta-da!
There we go. We have the hair stuck to our monster. What do you think so far?
I think it's great.
Do you want to add anything else?
No, I like it just the way it is.
But you could add a mouth
Or some arms.
or anything that you like. It's your monster. Thank you for doing some crafts with us today.
We hope you had fun. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.